Recently, we did a video talking about the all-new Tiny Monster concept pods from Arc Lighting. It's linked in the video description below. Well, alongside the release of the concept pods, Arc Lighting also released a new series of light bars, the Tiny Monster Xtreme series light bars. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Another light bar? I know. But these offer something that not all light bars offer. These are street legal single row light bars. Now, even though they're street legal, they're still bright enough and built to be useful on the highway and in off-road conditions. But are they really worth the investment? Who are these light bars for and who aren't they for? I'm Cody from Northwest family-owned Titan Truck. For over 35 years, we've helped our customers get the right gear for their vehicles. Our team has sold and installed thousands of aftermarket lights, so here's what you need to know about the Tiny Monster Xtreme series bars from Arc Lighting. These new street-legal light bars maximize light output and road safety with a unique optical design that produces a sharp, crisp beam pattern. And this optical design is exactly how these bars earned their SAE certifications and DOT approval. This means these light bars are legal even for street use on any roadway in the US, even California. Even California? I thought this light bar was supposed to be exciting. This is the Xtreme series. Shouldn't this be like the CrossFit of light bars? Oh, just you wait. See, it's not lack of brightness that makes them street legal. It's those focused optics that allow for precise control and cutoff of the beam so it doesn't blind oncoming drivers. Speaking of brightness, let's talk about that a little bit. The Xtreme series bar comes in 3 sizes, 6-inch, 10-inch, and 20-inch. Now, you might think the 6-inch is a little bit timid, but don't let its size fool you. This guy packs a punch with a fog beam pattern outputting around 1400 lumens. The 10-inch light bar uses a driving beam pattern with 4600 lumens. And if you're feeling extra adventurous, the 20-inch driving and fog combo pattern will net you 7300 effective lumens. And the best part? All of the Xtreme series light bars are dual function with an amber strobe light feature built in. So if you get lost or stuck in the wilderness, you can just flash those lights and hope someone comes to your rescue. Okay, more realistically, this can actually come in handy when helping someone stuck on the side of the road or using your truck for work where you need to alert traffic. All Xtreme series bars have an IP67 rating for water resistance and come with a 3-year warranty. The 6-inch model includes 2 of the LED light bars, mounting brackets, a wiring harness, and a switch panel, while the 10 and 20-inch models come with a single LED light bar, as well as the mounting brackets, wiring harness, and switch panel. Alright, who are the Xtreme series bars for? Well, if you're someone looking for some extra lighting that you can use legally while driving on or off-road, these bars might be a good choice for you. Also, Arc Lighting has an excellent reputation for making quality products and standing behind them. Unlike super cheap knockoffs you can find online, these are well built, reliable, and the SAE certifications, lumens, and water-resistant ratings are legitimate. But who are they not for? Well, we wouldn't really recommend these for heavy off-roaders who require their lights to be completely submersible or stand up to extreme impact. While they are IP67 rated, this makes them waterproof to most conditions except being fully submerged in water. Also, these lights lack an impact rating, which means they're not guaranteed to stand up to things hitting them and bouncing off of them like rocks. And they're probably not for a person who just doesn't care about quality and just wants a cheap disposable light. However, at a retail price of around $250 to $350 depending on which bar you get, they offer a nice combination of brightness and reliability at a reasonable price. If you have questions or want to learn more about the Tiny Monster Xtreme series light bars, check them out on our website using the link in the video description or reach out to us using the information on the screen. If you like this video, like this video. If you want to see more of our content, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you get an update when we post a video. You can find us on Facebook at facebook.com/Titan Truck or on Instagram at Titan Truck Spokane. I'm Cody, and I'll see you next time.